Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that
May you
we're
continue to grow,
feel it
blessed and a blessing to your family. Makinig kay mommy and daddy and kay ate, okay?
Sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata at enjoy mo lang yung life kasama ang Lord. Masaya ako kasi sila yung magulang mo at nakikita ko naman na they are good parents. Lumaki ka ng gusto mo at gawin mo lahat ng gusto.
May this gift brings you joy, and I hope this year is full of amazing memories and happiness. Always give gift to your parents and sisters.
I hope this will be your luckiest year and your luckiest day. Happy birthday, God bless. Stay humble and focused.
This is where the adventure begins.
Always listen to mommy and daddy, okay? Don't forget to pray to God and be thankful that you have a blessed family. Be a good boy always.
Always here to wish you the best and will always be here to support you. Yun lang. Feel free to ask for assistance with your schoolwork. Nandito lang si Regian to guide and help you.
We wish you all the best. Galingan mo sa school, pero just do your best, okay? Proud ako sa'yo lagi. So, happy birthday, Mason.
Happy birthday, Mason, my baby boy. Sana lumaki kang healthy and makinig ka lagi kay mommy and daddy. Dito lang kami lagi for you. Be a good boy.
I wish you the best. May you grow old, loving your parents, be respectful, study harder, and I know that God will always provide everything for you.
This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, faithful and loyal kay God. Maging mabait sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga kilala mo, sa mga classmates, kila Ate Princess, Tito Gian, lalong-lalo na kay Ate Meris. Ang akin lang is enjoy kung paano ka mag-aral. Enjoy school, enjoy your classmates and everything in life.
Feel it coming now. Here we go.
Good health, lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos mo, and everything you do na no pressure. Go at your own pace. Do whatever you like. Andito lang kami to guide you and support you. Sa lahat po ng pumunta, thank you po. Hindi po to magiging ganito ka-special without each of every one of you. Thank you and happy birthday, Mason.
Here we go.